How y'all doing this evening?
Good.
My name is Audia the Sound. And I'm gonna talk my shit. So y'all ready?
Yeah.
Fuck these bitches and fuck these niggas. Do you know who you are? Understand, man? Fuck this whole shit. From another one. Talk your shit, man. I'm tired of this shit, nigga.
Man, this beat so damn smooth. I'ma talk my shit. I know these niggas really pussy. I'd rather fuck they bitch. I'm a walking, living legend. Here's the fucking sitch. Ain't no damn competition. Know who you fucking with. It's AUDIA. Yeah, the nigga. East side, Keller Road. Represent I am one bitch. Most niggas will never get consent from unless they smooth as me. Packing divinity and come with peace and shit. I'm matching with the steel. But all I need is a mic to end a bitch nigga career. I'm blowing minds, and you should blow on minds like sacred cartridges. And I'm like auto, cause you'll fall in my presence, bitch. I'ma make it brick as fuck in the A. So you better come with layers. I'm slick with the verbiage. Ain't no way you could play a bitch. I'm player one. In this game, I gotta school my sons. You can't button smash the pussy, treat it nice and it'll come. Cause life's a bitch. Little hoe.
Yeah, nigga, have my money.
I'ma talk my shit.
Yeah.
I'ma talk my shit. Yeah. Man, this beat so damn smooth, still got me talking shit. Yeah, we friends, but you love sending me naked pics, cause I'm fire, your desire. And the waves don't swim, come correct and not keep you coming. Know that pussy slick. Casanova, spit like poets. Got love songs in your girl inbox, so don't ignore it. Cause once consented, it is vetted. She'll do anything for it. And ain't no ring on her finger. And with the angle of these pics, man, she really is single. With me present, yeah, you are non-existent. Don't think your love supreme, cause it isn't shit. Not compared to mine, cause like kettle to fire, make it hot, boy. You can't handle that. And I am not surprised that she want me between her thighs. I remote control her. She's into submission. I got so much waiting for her. It's the same, she told me that you don't know how to touch her. You are so lackluster, that's why she might suffer tonight. Yeah. You are so lackluster, that's why she might tonight. Yeah. You are so lackluster, that's why she might suffer tonight. Yeah. You are so lackluster, that's why she might tonight. Yeah. Yeah, I'm done talking my shit. Yeah, I'm done talking my shit. Not really. Not really. Again, my name is Audia the Sound. I'm gonna get a little bit more intense, so I hope y'all are ready.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright. Go ahead with that next one. Yeah. Fuck with God's people if you want to. Yeah. Fuck with God's people if you want to. Yeah. Fuck with God's people if you want to. I baptize in a puddle of my own tears. Hop out that bitch like I'm here. Wild naked and so much beauty coming from low vibrations. Bitch, I made it out the valley and in my zone. No more dead weight that's holding me down. I'm way more aware of myself, I see me now. You treat me as a problem and I see it now. You hate to see me free myself, I see it now. Bitch, I'm my only op. I'm still everything but shout it wrong. I dig myself out of the muck, now I don't give a fuck. I've been cutting heads off way before the babblers. And even at my lowest, I shine amongst. And at my darkest, I shimmer my mere presence make a weak bitch surrender. And the baddest of them pucker up. I mean, you should see niggas shook by my silence, watch them crumble when I choose to speak. Yeah, yeah. Fuck with God's people if you want to. Fuck with God's people if you want to. Fuck you and everything that you represent. Yeah. Go ahead to the next one. Yeah. yo, it's okay. Yeah, I know. I get dark, I get slow, I get gone, I get ghost. Let me flow. You don't have to hold me. When I feel in my soul that I'm losing control, and I know it gets old, yo, it's okay. You don't have to hold me down. Yeah, I know. I get dark, I get slow, I get gone, I get ghost. Let me flow. You don't have to hold me down. The confessions of a fucking savage. I'm just trying to manage, trying to let go the baggage. I attach myself worth to the money I'm lacking. Always feel like I'm lacking. I do more than your average. So how the fuck you go to lips to say I'm slacking? As a matter of fact, what you doing to bringing the back in? You think I got a shit for y'all to give a fuck about what's happening? You think I got a flip for y'all to give a shit about what's happening? On the real, y'all artists on my backhand. All this grace I give and you keep asking. You don't think I was Jesus, the mercy I dish. I look out for the fade of black for a while now, for a blackout. And then it all that I'm losing control. And I know it is so, yo, it's okay. Yeah, well, I know I get dark, I get slow, I get gone, I get ghost. Let me flow. You don't have to hold me. When I feel in my soul that I'm losing control, and I know it gets old, yo, it's okay. You don't have to hold me down. Yeah, I know. I get dark, I get slow, I get gone, I get ghost. Let me flow. You don't have to hold me down. If I turn into another, let me go. I need distance, I need hope, I need peace with all of the pieces that's been chipped off. I've been traumatized, I've been pissed off, I've been dismissed, I've been lost, I've been left crying, told I'm delusional, know that my pain comes from phantoms and don't exist at all. I've been poked, I've been prodded, tired of fighting, ain't trying to argue. I've been left hopeless, engulfed in your problems, and it's my fault, cause I allowed it, and I'm exhausted. I ain't the victim, I'm the solution. I'ma be fine once I start choosing. I'ma start choosing me. I kneel here before you, my Lord, please, oh please, spare me of the burdens of my heart. Oh please, soften me where I've been hardened, please. Oh please, please, soften me where I've been hardened.
There's some things I hate about you. How you will put yourself last almost all the time. And I feel like being as amazing as you are, truly,
You are worthy and you deserve a little bit more. If ever y'all feel like y'all are not worthy, trust me, you are. You are worthy and you deserve a little bit, a lot more. Okay? Alright, so hold up. Alright, so this last song I'm about to perform is called The Fifth Stage of Grief. Who knows what the fifth stage of grief is? Yes. Alright, look at y'all. Okay, healing and shit. Y'all better you know, so I guess in my healing journey I felt like I was reaching a point where I was accepting what is being presented to me instead of, you know, seeing potential. I'm just seeing what is and accepting what is. What could change, what couldn't change, you know, all that extra jazz. So this song is called Fifth Stage of Grief. I hope that you enjoy it.
It's on, nigga, that's just how it is, huh?
Yeah.
Bitches on, bitch, and that's just how it is, huh? Hoes gon' hoe and then take off their clothes.
Yeah.
I ain't judging cause I know just how they go.
And that's just how it fucking
My niggas
goes.
gon' nigga, and that's just how it is.
And that's just how it is,
Bitches
huh?
gon' bitch, and that's just how it is, huh?
Yeah.
Hoes gon' hoe and then take off their clothes.
Yeah.
I ain't judging cause I know just how they go.
Sometimes I feel like I'm living in a simulation. I've yet assimilated. Still got my sanity. I'm living off my mama prayers. Don't trust a fucking thing except the light that I walked in with. So I duck my fucking head and tuck my tail in mama business. My future crystal clear. I'm hyper-focused television. I ain't gonna let no fragile nigga knock me off my pivot. I stack and isolate a D&D cause I need peace and time to think. Intend to roots it out neglected, headed to the brink of overgiving to vampires in the valley of shadow. Being Jesus are all you demons, and I still got the balls to stick up my middle middle finger for the five, for the side, behind, in front, and beneath us. It's hard to be my brothers in the keeper, especially when they like to match the ether. Shit, I'ma watch this motherfucker burn the flames, and whatever shall remain will remain, cause I always gave you grace. Yeah, and that's just how it is, huh? Yeah, and that's just how it is, huh?
Take off their clothes.
Yeah,
Cause I know just how they go.
and that's just how it fucking goes. And that's just how it is, huh? And that's just how it is, huh?
Take off their clothes.
Yeah.
Cause I know just how they go.
Look, I ain't no saint, man, I never said I was, but I try to leave with love regardless of how these niggas come, cause on the world I know these niggas need a hug and bitches need less reasons to complain and hoes wanna be more than just a fuck. Sometimes I feel numb, sometimes I don't even feel numb, sometimes I feel it all shedding water away from these tears falling. I'm not sorry I missed your pause, bitch, I'm healing from the pain resurfacing from all these past afflictions, bitch, I gotta get this out my system, cause I'll be damned if I continue life the way I'm living, and I'll be damned if there's the death of me for playing victim. Gotta say space to unravel and put myself together. God got me, so I know that I'll be set forever, and I will never, ever, 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 ever let these bastards grind me down. I done found myself in greatness, so in greatness I am found, so you better show me love if you got any from me now. Oh, yeah, how it is, huh? That's just 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 how it is, huh?
That's just how it is, huh?
As y'all can see, I'm very passionate. I get, you know, I overexert myself sometimes, but anyway, again, my name is Audia the Sound. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok at Audacity of Audia. Audacity of Audia. Thank y'all so much for having me. Thank you, Village Records. Thank you, One Love Cafe. Thank you.